Life can feel like a whirlwind, constantly spinning us around with its relentless pace and unexpected challenges. We get swept up in thoughts, worries, and fears, often feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of our concerns. Anxiety can make us feel unsteady, like we're adrift at sea, tossed by the waves of uncertainty and doubt. Grounding techniques are our anchors, providing a sense of stability and security when everything else feels chaotic. They help us reconnect with the present moment, bringing us back to a place of stability and calm, allowing us to breathe and find our center. Imagine a tree deeply rooted in the earth, its roots extending far and wide, providing a strong foundation. No matter how strong the wind, the tree remains standing, resilient and unwavering. Grounding techniques are like those roots, anchoring us to the present moment, helping us weather life's storms with grace and strength. These techniques are simple yet powerful tools, easily accessible and incredibly effective in managing our emotional well-being. They can help us manage anxiety, reduce stress, and find a sense of peace within ourselves, creating a sanctuary of calm amidst the chaos. In the following, we'll explore different grounding techniques, understanding how they work and how to practice them effectively, so you can incorporate them into your daily life and find your footing no matter what challenges come your way. When we experience anxiety, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. This is a natural response to perceived threats. Our heart rate increases, our breathing becomes shallow, and our thoughts race. While this response is helpful in dangerous situations, it can be triggered even when there's no real threat. This can lead to feelings of overwhelm and panic. Grounding techniques interrupt this cycle. They shift our focus from anxious thoughts to the present moment, calming our nervous system and reducing feelings of anxiety. By bringing our attention to the here and now, we can soothe our minds and bodies, finding a sense of peace within ourselves. Grounding techniques are simple exercises that help us reconnect with the present moment. They are tools we can use anytime, anywhere, to manage anxiety and find a sense of calm. These techniques work by engaging our senses, focusing our attention on the physical world around us. This helps to shift our focus away from anxious thoughts and worries. There are many different grounding techniques. Some people find certain techniques more helpful than others. The key is to experiment and find what works best for you. Remember, grounding is a skill that takes practice. One of the simplest yet most effective grounding techniques is called feet on the earth. This exercise helps us reconnect with our physical surroundings, bringing a sense of stability and grounding. Step 1. Find a comfortable seated position. Step 2. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Step 3. Bring your attention to your feet. Notice the sensation of your feet making contact with the floor. Step 4. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, extending deep into the earth. Feel the stability and support of the earth beneath you. This technique helps to ground us in the present moment, reducing feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. Deep breathing. Finding calm amidst the chaos. Deep breathing is a powerful tool for managing anxiety. When we're anxious, our breathing tends to become shallow and rapid. Deep breathing helps to slow down our heart rate and calm our nervous system. Step 1. Find a comfortable seated position. Step 2. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Step 3. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air. Step 4. Hold your breath for a few seconds. Step 5. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. The benefits of deep breathing exercises include regulating our breathing, reducing stress hormones, and promoting relaxation. Engaging the senses, a sensory symphony. In this video, we will explore the profound impact of our senses on our well-being and how they can be harnessed to bring us back to the present moment. Our senses are powerful tools for grounding ourselves in the present moment. They serve as a bridge between our inner world and the external environment, allowing us to experience life more fully and vividly. By consciously engaging our senses, we can shift our focus away from anxious thoughts and reconnect with our surroundings. This practice can be a simple yet effective way to reduce stress and enhance our overall sense of well-being. Sight. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures around you. Take a moment to observe the intricate details of a flower, the vibrant hues of a sunset, or the delicate patterns on a leaf. Look for details you might not normally pay attention to. This heightened awareness can transform ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences, enriching your daily life. Touch. Feel the texture of your clothing, the coolness of a glass of water, or the softness of a blanket. Notice how different surfaces and materials feel against your skin. Hearing. Listen to the sounds around you. Pay attention to the subtle nuances in the ambient noise, whether it's the gentle rustling of leaves, the distant hum of traffic, or the soothing sound of a flowing stream. Notice the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, or the hum of traffic. Each sound can tell a story and bring a sense of place and time to your awareness. Taste. Savor the flavors of your food or drink. Take the time to truly taste each bite, noticing the complex interplay of flavors and textures. Pay attention to the sweetness, sourness, saltiness, and bitterness. Each flavor can evoke different emotions and memories, adding depth to your sensory experience. Smell. Notice the scents around you. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the fragrance of blooming flowers, or the crisp scent of fresh air can all have a profound impact on your mood and well-being. Inhale the aroma of your coffee, the freshness of the air, or the fragrance of a flower. These scents can evoke powerful memories and emotions, grounding you in the present moment. The benefits of engaging our senses include grounding us in the present moment, enhancing our mindfulness, and fostering a deeper connection with the world around us. Reducing feelings of anxiety and overwhelm, this practice can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. By making a conscious effort to engage our senses, we can cultivate a greater appreciation for the beauty and richness of our everyday experiences. Visualization. Creating your peaceful oasis. Visualization is a powerful technique that involves creating a mental image of a peaceful and calming place. This can be a real or imagined place. Step 1. Find a comfortable seated position. Step 2. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Step 3. Imagine yourself in a peaceful and calming place. This could be a beach, a forest, or a mountaintop. Step 4. Engage all of your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? Step 5. Spend some time exploring this peaceful place in your mind. The benefits of visualization include reducing stress, promoting relaxation, and improving our mood. Integrating grounding techniques into daily life. The key to experiencing the full benefits of grounding techniques is to incorporate them into our daily routines. By making these practices a part of our everyday life, we can create a more balanced and centered state of being. We don't have to wait until we're feeling anxious to practice these techniques. In fact, the best time to practice grounding is when we are calm, so that we can build a strong foundation for when we need it most. Start small. Begin by incorporating 1 or 2 grounding techniques into your day. This could be as simple as taking a few deep breaths in the morning or doing a short meditation before bed. Choose techniques that resonate with you and that you feel comfortable practicing. Whether it's yoga, journaling, or listening to calming music, find what works best for you. Set reminders. Set reminders on your phone or write notes to yourself to practice grounding techniques throughout the day. These little prompts can help you stay consistent and make grounding a regular part of your routine. Make it a habit. The more we practice grounding techniques, the more natural they will become. Over time, these practices will become second nature, and you'll find yourself turning to them instinctively. Over time, these techniques can become an integral part of our daily lives. They can help us navigate stress, improve our focus, and enhance our overall well-being. Be patient. Remember that grounding is a skill that takes practice. It's normal to have days where it feels more challenging, but with persistence, it will get easier. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Every step you take towards integrating grounding techniques into your life is a step towards greater peace and resilience. The power of practice and patience. Like any new skill, mastering grounding techniques takes practice and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't feel an immediate sense of calm or if your mind wanders during practice. Grounding is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress. The more you practice, the easier it will become to shift your focus to the present moment and find a sense of peace. Remember, even a few minutes of grounding can make a difference. Be kind to yourself throughout this process. Acknowledge your efforts and celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Embracing imperfection, your journey to well-being. It's important to remember that we don't have to be perfect at grounding techniques for them to be effective. There will be times when our minds wander, and that's okay. Embrace your imperfections and celebrate your journey to well-being. The goal is not to eliminate anxiety completely, but to learn how to manage it effectively. Grounding techniques are tools that can help us navigate life's challenges with greater ease and resilience. Embrace the journey, imperfections included. Each step you take towards greater well-being is a victory worth celebrating. You are not alone. Seeking support and encouragement. If you're struggling with anxiety, remember that you are not alone. Many people experience anxiety, and there are resources available to help. Reach out for support and find strength in connection. Talk to a trusted friend or family member, or seek professional help from a therapist or counselor. There is no shame in asking for help, and it can make a world of difference. Remember, you are worthy of peace, joy, and well-being. Keep practicing these grounding techniques, and know that you have the strength and resilience to navigate life's challenges.